Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay July 24, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 24, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas na para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Wednesday, July 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas na para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 24, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 12.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 119.5 million pesos for Wednesday, July 24, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 24, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.